Good evening. Here's just a different perspective on a sunset at a lake I've been to. But so pretty. Look at this. Look at the trees and the Spanish moss hanging down from the trees. And I'm trying to, there we go. Keep the, but isn't that pretty? Yeah. I'm just going for a nature drive today, so anyway, wanted you to see this prettiness. Step out and get some fresh spring air and go for a sunset drive, even if you can't go for a walk if you're too tired. Okay. How Florida, huh? This is like a Florida highwayman would paint. So, this is your I am Nancy, the Florida highway girl. Nature girl. Alright. Step out in it. Enjoy. Bye now.